please click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications.
Money,
yes.
Now I'm just directing to Nollywood. This one of Nollywood star, everybody knows. We were surprised seeing him in this kind of condition. And what is they call here?
Just right.
Asking men, Nigerian men, to assist him when you have Nollywood people. They are just there doing anything they like, but they don't help themselves. You understand? So we are calling on Nollywood to come assist their member. It's not only to ask him. This guy cannot even walk. So they need to come to the die not when he dies and they will come and do big burial for somebody. They need to help him now that he's alive. Please, even Nigerian government need to assist this guy and know what is the problem. Thank you. As he's videoing it, you can talk. You talk. Tell your Nollywood people to come to your aid. They need to help you. You speak as he's doing this because we are going to post it out. They are only doing hell there. You understand? If we didn't see you now, I thought that maybe you are in another big world. So people like you, they need to help.
Okay, your name and people know your name already, but you can say something. Say that.
Alright, my name is Thomas Asuzu. I'm a star. You all know me. I'm a reflection. I feel the better you help me. So I help on my aid. Then I have a secret. Go strong. On my aid. Just to help me. Please. I beg you to go and let me know on my aid. I'm dying. Slowly I'm dying. Not only dying. Focus on my aid. Please. When I go, please. I don't find what you like what's your name?
Ogochukwu, yeah. And Emmanuel.
And all the happy. God bless you. God bless you. You know like
fellow Nigerians, my name is Emmanuel, aka Mabolingo. We are now in the home of in the house of Ernest Asozo, a Nollywood actor, a well-known face in the Nollywood in Nollywood industry. Please, we need your help. He's been down with stroke for some years now, and nobody is helping him out. All his friends have deserted him. Nobody is calling, nobody is checking up on him, and he's dying in silence. Please, we want your help now. It is now. Please help him out. But meanwhile, let us hear from him how the journey began.
My name is Asuzu. He had a stroke. My friends like Mulingo and Victor. I made them shop right. I was shopping to get myself. I made them to sue them. The two of themselves to help me. Please, friend Nigerians, help me. Let me well with you, please. I made them go. Let me well with you. I told you everything like that.
Please, you have heard from him. You have heard from him. Please, we need people like Two-Face Dibia, because Two-Face is his friends. Many of them are his friends. Zubi Michael, name them. Please come and help him out. Ramsey Noah, help Desmond Elliott.
Yeah.
Please come and help him.
You have met Two-Face also.
Genevieve Brunachi. He has met Two-Face. Yeah, continue, please.
Two-Face give me wrong number. I hope it's a pity. All this club, so I mean, they hate me so much. And as I see, why am I looking like this? I said, I stroke. Now use number. I was calling back. I called back with one number. All true. I'm not worrying at all. What J Black? What J Black? If I'm man with J Black. But how about J Black? I say, it's both the artists. We're together and just swim me. Please help me, please. I'm dying in silence, please.
In his word, I quote, he met Two-Face Dibia at his club, and Two-Face gave him a number to call, and he has been calling the number all to no avail. The number is wrong number. So we are calling on Two-Face to come and redeem his image. Please, this is very, very important. It is not when somebody died that we start to celebrate him. So he's not dead now. He's down with stroke. Please come and help him.
And the
He's
entire
an entire Nollywood. Please, we need your help. You can call his number. You can call him on his number.
00
Okay.
332
Okay.
81499. Repeat. 080 332 81499. That one number.
Thank
Account number is 480 and 259. 480 then 259. Please. That one account number. That one phone number.
Thank you.
Ernest Azuzu is a famous Nollywood actor, musician, rapper, producer, director, and a television personality. He is popularly known as El Cream. He was born in Imo State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. He is known for playing criminal, villain, actions, and hitman roles in movies alongside with Jim Ike, Emma Ehumadu, Alaso Wariboko, Gentle Jack, and other top Nollywood celebrities. Ernest Azuzu is originally from Imo State in the southeastern part of Nigeria, but grew up in Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. He is currently married to Jennifer Azuzu. Ernest Azuzu completed both his primary and secondary school education in Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria, and obtained both his first school leaving certificate and West African Senior School certificate. While still in secondary school, he was actively involved in drama and stage play. Ernest Azuzu began his acting career in the late 1990s and joined the Nigerian movie industry in Nollywood. Ernest Azuzu rose to fame after acting in the Nollywood blockbuster movie Another Campus Queen, a movie that brought him to limelight. He became a public figure in Nigeria after featuring in the Nollywood blockbuster movie Rituals, a movie produced by Kenneth Nnebue, after which he starred in La Vista alongside with Emma Ehumadu, a movie that won him Best Supporting Actor at the African Movie Academy Awards. Ernest Azuzu has acted in more than 150 Nollywood movies, which include Another Campus Queen, Rituals, La Vista, Royal War, Last Wedding, Broad Daylight, Ogidan, Ogonna, Never End, Burning Desire, Last Wedding, Living Abroad, etc. He acted mostly in action and hitman movies alongside with Jerry Amilu, Gentle Jack, Sento B, Gino Popo Dumodo, Zubi Michael, Sylvester Mado, Jim Ike, Emma Ehumadu, and Alaso Wariboko. Unfortunately, Ernest Azuzu is no longer active in Nollywood movies and has decided to quit the Nigerian movie industry in Nollywood to pursue another career in another field. He condemned the Nigerian movie industry, saying that the Nigerian movie industry in Nollywood is evil. Apart from acting, Ernest Azuzu is also a talented rapper. He is popularly called El Cream within the rap circles and has released a brand new music video for his hit single Go Under. The Imo State-born actor Ernest Azuzu, who before his disappearances from the Nigerian movie industry Nollywood screen has been hit with series of controversies that even led to rumors of insanity, stroke, and poverty. According to him, that period was his most painful part in life that cannot be forgotten easily. However, Jennifer Azuzu, the wife of famous Nollywood actor Ernest Azuzu, during the controversy, refuted claims that her husband Ernest Azuzu is mentally unstable. In an interview to West International magazine, Jennifer Azuzu dismissed rumors that her husband Ernest Azuzu is mad and begs for money in public. While claiming that her husband Ernest Azuzu is not mentally unstable, she admitted that actress Obot Etok, who was Ernest Azuzu's former girlfriend and lover, came into his life to destabilize him. According to her, it was the actress that was spreading the fake rumor with the mission to tarnish his image. Jennifer, who got married to Ernest Azuzu in 2010, revealed that her husband had stroke few years ago and was admitted to Lagos State University Teaching Hospital for immediate treatment. According to her, the stroke came from nowhere. She finally confirmed that her husband has been treated, healed and free from stroke. Apart from being a movie actor, Ernest Azuzu is also a gospel rap artist and has dropped a rap album to his name. He once dated former Nollywood actress Obot Etuk and dumped her after some misunderstanding between them which could not be resolved. He is currently married to Jennifer Azuzu. According to him, Two-Face Idibia and P-Square are the only artists he would like to work with in the nearest future. Ernest Azuzu used to be Nollywood bad boy before Jim I came onto the scene. Aside from music and movie, Ernest Azuzu plans to be a philanthropist one day. He also plans to be the governor of Imo State someday. Ernest Azuzu, in the course of his acting career, has won several awards which include Best Actor at the African Magic Via Choice Awards, Most Promising Actor in Nigeria at the City People Entertainment Awards, Best Actor in a Supporting Role at the African Movie Academy Awards, and Most Prominent Actor in Nigeria at the Best of Nollywood Awards.